Hello everyone. If you are broke and you can't afford a mic or a studio, then this today's video is especially for you. Today I'm gonna talk about an AI tool that changes our mobile recorded or laptop recorded voice in such a way that it almost sounds like a voice that is recorded from a professional studio or a professional mic. So the thing is, Adobe has just released an AI tool which is this Adobe Podcast. You can search in here. This is the tool, and you can go into this website, and here you can see quick tools, and in the quick tools you may find enhanced speech. Click that and go to the upload section and upload your recorded sound. And it takes a bit of time. Just wait for some time. So the tool has enhanced our audio and first let's hear the original version. So let's turn it off for a while. Let's hear the original version. भन्छन् सबै कुरा सोचबाट सुरु सोच्छु सोचले सोच माथिको सोचमा म पुगु सोचभन्दा माथि के सोच एक फेर सोच्दा सोच्दै कतै जीवन जाने हो कि खेर तर त्यो This is the original version, and now we will hear the enhanced one. भन्छन् सबै कुरा सोचबाट सुरु सोच्छु सोचले सोच माथिको सोचमा म पुगु सोचभन्दा माथि के सोच एक फेर सोच्दा सोच्दै कतै जीवन जाने हो कि खेर. You can see the difference in the two versions. The enhanced version almost sounds like it was recorded from a professional mic. So guys, the tool is free for now, and before it gets paid, or I mean before it turns paid, just use it as much as you can.